Welcome to Module 2 of this tutorial, Principles of Responsible AI. As you venture into the world of AI, understanding how to shape these technologies ethically and responsibly is crucial. This module will explore the 4 core pillars of responsible AI: fairness, accountability, privacy, and human-centered design. Each of these aspects plays a vital role in the development and deployment of AI systems that are beneficial and non-harmful to society. Pillar 1. Fairness in AI systems. Fairness in AI refers to the ability of AI systems to deliver unbiased decisions and results. This involves ensuring that the AI's actions do not favor or prejudice any particular group or individual over others. To assess fairness, we look at a few key measures. First, there's statistical parity. This involves checking if all groups of users are treated equally by the AI system. Then there's equality of opportunity. This measure ensures that all groups have an equal chance of receiving favorable outcomes. To address unfairness, it is critical to utilize diverse datasets that reflect all sections of the user base and implement algorithms that can detect and correct bias automatically. Pillar 2. Accountability and transparency. Accountability in AI ensures that decisions made by AI systems can be traced back to someone who can be held responsible for its outcomes. Ensuring transparency involves the clear documentation and communication of AI processes and decisions, making it easier for users to understand how AI conclusions are derived. To implement accountability and transparency, we can use open algorithms that are available for inspection and review, and maintain audit trails by keeping detailed records of AI decision-making processes. Pillar 3. Privacy and security considerations. The importance of privacy in AI cannot be overstated. Privacy in AI protects the personal information that these systems collect, store, and process from unauthorized access and breaches. Strategies for ensuring privacy include data anonymization, which involves removing personally identifiable information from datasets to protect user privacy. Another crucial strategy is secure storage and transmission. By implementing encryption methods for stored and transmitted data, we can significantly enhance security. Pillar 4. Human-centered AI design. So what is human-centered AI? Well, it involves designing AI systems with the end user in mind, focusing on maximizing societal benefit and minimizing potential harm. Principles of human-centered AI design include user feedback loops, which incorporate regular feedback from users to adapt and improve AI functionalities. Ethical implications are also key, as we must consider the broader impact of AI technologies on all stakeholders involved. A real-world application of this can be seen in healthcare, where AI tools must be designed to prioritize patient care and medical ethics. In this module, you explored the essential principles that guide the development of responsible AI systems. By integrating fairness, accountability, transparency, and human-centered practices into AI systems, you contribute to a technology landscape that is unbiased, equitable, and respectful of privacy and human dignity. Make the background music happy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.